How to use Discord's night mode. Discord's night mode is a dark theme designed to reduce eye strain and improve visibility in low light settings. To enable it, first open user settings by tapping the gear icon at the bottom of the screen and go to appearance from there. Select the dark theme option and Discord will switch immediately. This mode changes the interface to darker shades that are easier on your eyes, especially during extended use. Night mode is especially helpful if you spend a lot of time on Discord at night or in dim environments. Pair night mode with your device's blue light filter or night mode for even better eye comfort. Do you use night mode on Discord? Tell me how it helps you in the comments below. Using night mode can make your Discord experience more comfortable and reduce eye fatigue. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.